Good afternoon, viewers. I am Venugopal, HOD of Commerce, PG Assistant in Vidyalakshmi Metric Higher Secondary School. So, today we are going to discuss the subject Accountancy, Chapter 4, Goodwill Partnership Accounts. We will see the meaning, definition, needs, factors and methods of goodwill one by one. Now, introduction. So, goodwill is a good name or reputation of the business which brings benefits to the business. So, generally goodwill, it is a reputation, prestigious name of the business, the first point. Then it enables the business to earn more profit. The main thing, the business always, the main thing is earning more profit. To earn more profit, it is the present value of the firm in future excess earning. So, based on excess earning, we do hard work this year, we earn more benefits in future. Point of view, we will see the goodwill, the meaning. Next, the nature of goodwill. So, nature of goodwill, there are six categories are there. The first one, goodwill, it is an intangible assets. What is mean by intangible assets? Intangible assets mean we can't see, we can't touch, we feel. When we feel, when we realize in that one, it means while you are selling the machinery, what we are expected, the benefits, more than we are earning the profit, that time we realize the concept name is intangible assets. So, that is why it is called intangible assets. It can't see, can't touch, we feel only, the first point. And second one, it has a definite value depending on the profitability of the business. Profitability is the main. So, all the business people, all the partners, the profit is the main concept in our business point of view. And third one, it cannot be separated from the business. So, goodwill cannot be separated from the business because the based on future benefits, now we are doing the succeed in our business mean more year we will get the benefits. So, it is not separated from the business. That is the third point. Fourth one, it helps earning more profit to attract more customer. So, how many customers are more and more customers are there in our business, automatically the sales volume will be increased, we earning more and more profit. So, based on the more than excess than the profit, generally we call the reputation for the goodwill. Then fifth one, it can purchased on sold only when the business purchased or sold in part or fully. While you are selling or part, fully we realize the benefits for the nature of goodwill. Right. The next heading, the factors determining the value of goodwill, the partnership firm. What are the factors are there? The first one, profitability of the firm. So, goodwill always give more profit. So, how you are do the hard work, your hard work, your reward you are getting within few years or within few months, you earn more profitability point of view. And second one, the favorable as location of the business enterprise. It is a very, very important thing. Where you are located in your business, that concept is very important. The prominent place, heart of the city, the famous place, if you are start the business to access the customer, it can more attract customer. Wherever the customers are more, they are live in that particular place, you can start, you earn more benefit. In our favorable business enterprises, the location, the place of business location is very, very important, right. Then, goodwill quality of goods or services offered. While you need goodwill mean your product and quality is very, very important. Quality, quantity, it is a very important in our business point of view. The quality is not good, automatically you cannot get reputation of the firm or goodwill of the firm. You are having the quality, your product demand is more, automatically you will get the goods and services, based on that the goodwill will be high. Next, tenure of business enterprises. What is mean by tenure? Here, a firm which has carried the business for several years. So, if you take MRF Tire, it is running on 75 years, then Tata Ratan Tata, they are running the business 100 years. So, that is mean by tenure. How many years you are having the higher reputation? The among customers, it is better known, the customers such a firm will higher and high in your expectation, in your business will be growth. You are created the more and more new business in this tenure business enterprises point of view. Then efficiency of management. What is mean by efficiency? A firm having a efficiency management to earn more profit. Based on efficiency, the goodwill will be higher. The less effective, you will get very less benefit. So efficiency, we need more and more for your succeed in your business. Then degree of competition. What is mean by degree? In case of business enterprises having no competition, but your product is good, in future also competition will be high, your product always will be high, you will earn more profit, right? Then other factor, other than the factors, there are the other factors to add the value of goodwill business, such as popularity, proprietor. So you are a very popular person, you are started the businessman, your business is succeed very well. At the same time, the impressive advertisement, how you are give the ad, how they like the customer. The customers like if you give the ad. If they are satisfied, if they like your product, automatically your product will be, sales value will be high, you will earn more profit, right? Then next, need of valuation of goodwill partnership need. Why we need goodwill, the partnership? First one, valuation. Valuation means in case of partnership firm, wherever there is a changes in the mutual right partners, mutual rights partner, the need for favorable goodwill. So valuation based on your business target, the valuation is planning to succeed the business. Then goodwill preparation firms order to proprietor right of the partner. How? What are the rights are having the partner? When there is a change in the profit sharing ratio, if you change any profit sharing ratio, in that place goodwill, it is very important role of your partnership firm. When a new partner is admitted into a firm, what we will do? The old constitution for the assets and liabilities, we remodeling, reevaluate the decrease and increase value of assets and liabilities point of view, we need goodwill. And third one, when the existing partner retires from the firm, when your partners are die. So any one partners are die, automatically what will happen? The remaining partners, they can continue their business, they won't quit the business. So continuously process is going on. That time the dies partners goodwill ratio, then sharing to the existing partner point of view, goodwill speed. And last one, when a partnership firm is dissolved. So all the partners decide, they dissolve the partnership firm, that place the goodwill, it is an important role. So that's why goodwill, in these are all the areas need for our partnership firm, right? Next we will see the method, the classification of goodwill. Acquired of the purchase of goodwill. Actually classification of goodwill, there are two type of goodwill is there. First one, purchase of goodwill, another one not acquired or purchase of goodwill. The purchase of goodwill mean the excess of purchase consideration over the value of necessity is acquired. So if you need the necessity, acquired is there, that time the purchase of goodwill will be high, right? Next, if the goodwill which is self-generated by a firm based on the future of the business, such as favorable location, the favorable location will be decided in your succeed in your business. See, the most of the department store, most of the chain store, most of the showrooms, they will started in the heart of the city places alone, because they earn more and more profit purpose, they are ready to investment more compared to small trading business. In this business you earn more profit, mean first you have to expensive more and more. So that point of view, you locate the location is very important. They attract the customer very nearer to bus stand, very nearer to railway station, very nearer to the marketplaces. If you started the business, the self-generated goodwill will be increased in your point of view. Next, the method of valuation. So method of valuation, here 6 methods are there, we will see the one by one. First one, average profit method. What is mean by average profit? So for example, if you take 5 years, we are running the business, the 5 years profit is there. So you take the total value of profit divided by number of years. Total value of profit divided by number of year, and find out the answer name is average profit here. So see the meaning. Under this method, goodwill is calculated certain year of purchase of average profit of the past few years. So the number of year purchase generally determine the basis of average period for the new business. We will take the current state. For the existing, it may be also determination of the number of the years for which the past average profit will be planned to our average profit. Then following adjustments are to be made in our average profit. What is this? Adjusted profit is equal to actual profit. What is mean by adjusted profit? Here, the based on past experience you are getting in future doing the business means add with the adjusted profit. The past revenue not likely to earn less with the profit. Then third, addition to income expected. Your expected income you are earning can add with the profit. Additional expenses are there, you less with the profit. Then average profit may be either simple or average profit or weighted average profit also there. Right. Then next one we will go with the simple average profit method. What is mean by simple average profit method? Here the simple average profit is calculated by adding the adjusted profit certain year of. So goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years. So how to find out average profit? I already told total profit by number of years. This is the simple method for our average profit. The next weighted profit. What is the formula for weighted profit mean? How to find out the goodwill? The based on weighted profit. Weighted profit formula is weighted profit is equal to total weighted profit. What is mean by total weighted? If you take 5 years, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 5 years. So each year you are getting 20,000 means, so 20,000 the based on weighted total weight. What is mean by total? First year means 1, second year means 2, third year means 3, fourth year means 4, fifth year means 5. So take the value, multiply with the year number. Find out the amount total is total weight by total profit. Find out the answer is average profit. Then after we can take the weighted average profit into number of year, find out the answer of goodwill. This is the second method for weighted average profit. The next one, super profit method. Super profit method, profit of excess average profit. Profit of excess average profit, find out the answer super profit. How to find out the super profit? First you take the step 1 average profit. How we find out the average profit? So average profit formula just now I told total profit by number of years, find out the average profit. After we will move on normal profit. What is the formula of normal profit mean? Capital employed into normal rate of return. For example, 3 lakh capital is there into normal rate of return 10% is there. You take 3 lakhs into 10 by 100, 30,000. Okay, that is mean by normal profit. Then capital employed means sometimes they will give capital employed direct value. Otherwise, you take the fixed assets plus current assets minus current liability. Find out the answer is capital employed. Then the normal rate of return means it is the rate at which the profit earned similar business under the normal business point. That is mean by super profit method formula. Then purchase of super profit method means you take the goodwill, the super profit into number of year purchase. How to find out super profit mean? You take the average profit minus normal profit and find out the answer is super profit. Then super profit find out the goodwill, super profit into number of years, right? Then annuity method. What is mean by annuity method? Under this method, the goodwill is calculated for the based on table. Annuity table is there. We can follow the annuity table. Based on the table, find out the answer. The goodwill means super profit into present value of annuity factor. Present value of annuity factor. Table they will give the value based on super profit into multiply the factor table, right? Next, capitalization super profit method. So under this method, value of goodwill is calculated by capitalizing the super profit, the normal rate of return. Goodwill is capitalized super profit means goodwill is equal to super profit by normal rate of return into 100. Find out the answer is capitalization super profit method. We will see the last only one. We will move on the capitalization method. What is mean by capitalization method? Here goodwill is calculation of total profit. Capitalization means you take the average profit by normal rate of return into 100. Then after the actual capital employed means fixed assets excluding the goodwill. Then after current assets minus current liability, find out the answer of capitalization method. Right. Thank you very much. So my dear student, my dear viewers, today we are discussed the topic goodwill. So these are all the topics we have discussed. So again session, so remaining method we will see in the next session. Thank you.